Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. But before we start with that, let us revise about nouns. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Okay, so the noun is a name of person, place, animal, or thing. We all know this, right? Nouns are further classified into countable and uncountable nouns. Whenever we identify a noun, it is important for us to know if it is a countable or an uncountable noun. Let us learn about them one by one. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are the nouns that can be counted. For example, trees. Yes, how many trees are there? 2 trees, so they can be counted. Books. Can we count these books? Yes, we can count these books, so they are countable nouns. Apples. Can we count these apples? Yes, we can count these apples, so they are countable nouns. Countable nouns can be singular, that is one, or plural, that is many. Now next, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted. We cannot count these nouns. For example, water. Can we count water? No, we cannot count water. So it is uncountable noun. Next, milk. Can we count milk? No, we cannot count milk. So milk is an uncountable noun. Next, rain. Can we count rain? No, we cannot count rain. So it is an uncountable noun. Uncountable noun can have only singular form. Okay, so they can have only singular form. We do not say waters. We always say water. We don't say uncountable nouns in plural form. It is always singular. We do not say milks. We always say milk. We do not say rains. We only say rain. We do not use a or an or any number with uncountable nouns. We do not say give me a water or give me an oil, or we also do not say give me one milk. Okay, so we do not use a or an or any number with uncountable nouns. Okay, so there are ways to specify quantity of uncountable nouns. We use measure words to count the uncountable nouns. So there are certain ways in which we can specify the quantity of the uncountable nouns. For example, 1 glass of water. So here glass, the word glass is a measure word. Next, 2 pieces of furniture. So here the word pieces is a measure word. Next, 2 bars of soap. So here bars is a measure words. Okay, so if we don't just say give me water, if we want to measure or if we want to specify quantity, we always say give me 1 glass of water or give me 1 bottle of water. So we always measure the uncountable nouns using the measure words. So here are few examples of it. There are some words that should only be used with countable nouns and some that you should only use with uncountable nouns. Here are some main examples. Let us have a look. Okay, so here I have made a table. Here are the words, and here I have made a table which tells you the word will go with countable noun or uncountable noun. For example, the first word, few or fewer, this will always go with countable noun. We say few students or few cars, so we can count them. Words like little or less or least, these words go with uncountable noun. Less food, little time, we cannot count them. Then words like many or several, it goes with countable noun. Several books, many changes, so we can count these. Next, much or some, these words always go with uncountable noun. Much pleasure, much sleep, some water, which cannot be counted. Okay, let us quickly do a recap of countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, they can be counted. They are singular and plural. We use a or an with singular countable nouns. Few examples of countable nouns are girl, tree, apple, bird, etc. Uncountable nouns, they cannot be counted. They are always singular. We do not use a or an with uncountable nouns. Words like some, little, much are used to specify the quantity of uncountable nouns. Few examples of uncountable nouns are water, milk, rain, oil, rice, sugar, etc. Okay, so here are few more examples of countable and uncountable nouns. Let us have a look. Banana, it is countable noun. Tree, it is countable. Strawberry, again it is countable. Ball, it is countable. Pencils, we can count pencils. Burger, we can count burger. Watermelon, we can count the number of watermelon. Fan, it is countable. Eggs, we can count the eggs. Uncountable nouns. Rice, we cannot count rice. Honey, it cannot be counted. Juice, any fruit juice or any type of juice or milkshake, it cannot be counted. Cake, we cannot count the cake. Then cheese, it is uncountable. Tea or coffee, it is again uncountable. Milk, it is uncountable. Ice cream, it is again uncountable. And meat, we cannot count meat, it is also uncountable. Okay, now let us do task number 1 together. Countable and uncountable nouns. Put the words into these 2 columns. Okay, so first of all you need to make 2 columns for countable and uncountable nouns. And here are few words. I have given here few words. You need to read each word and you need to put each word into the correct column if it is countable or uncountable. Okay, let us do this task number 1, and once you are done with this, send it back to me. Okay, so that's it on countable and uncountable nouns. I hope you liked this video. Okay, thank you and you have a good day. Bye bye.